Introducing a new technology layering engine for broadcast, live venues, and presentations. Multi-lane keying and mixed effects with an extraordinary intuitive iPad interface. New from Ensemble Designs.
Hello and welcome to NAB 2012. My name is Francesco Scartosi and I'm the Director of Sales for the Americas at Matrox. I'm here to talk to you about a Matrox Everywhere strategy. But before I do, I'd like to talk a little bit about our products and really what makes them shine. Right here I have the Matrox MX02 LE Max, and this unit is actually helping us become the standard in broadcast, fundamentally for a number of reasons. The first being the fact that we are the only I/O device on the market that actually supports I/O, of course, but also H.264 accelerated technology. So that helps you deliver the content a lot faster. In a news environment, being able to gather HD material in the field and being able to then cut the story and edit it quickly and send it out as an H.264 file dramatically increases the ability to put quality product on air. Now, the fact that this unit on input and output is a solid, rugged breakout box that has one PCB, no moving parts, no fans, has actually become the subtle difference between our solution and others when being considered at a broadcaster. The reason being that they need to make sure that their unit that they're standardizing on is actually very good for in the field and studio use. Now, furthermore, we have the ability to have the unit being used whether it be with Adobe, Avid, or Final Cut. The unit again also supports Mac and PC equally as well. So we are excited here at NAB to really take advantage with the Matrox LE Max and the newest announcement from our partner Adobe that the CS6 Matrox partnership will really take advantage of the broadcast needs in the industry. Now, the other thing I'd like to talk about is the fact that the Matrox Everywhere strategy is allowing us to get into broadcasters, call letter stations, where they're using the LE Max as a fundamental input-output unit. However, once in, we are using the Convert DVI scan converter, which is a cost-effective unit that allows broadcasters to take content that was otherwise constrained by the computer and the computer content and produce it on air. For example, if you're a station that weren't producing news and now want to produce HD news, you do start with gathering that equipment or that content out in the field. Now, once you have that HD content, you want to enhance it. And most likely than not, there's a lot of graphically rich content on the web, on software tools like traffic and weather content, and you'll want to basically take that, convert it to a very high quality HD SDI signal so you can bring it out there. The Convert DVI does exactly that. At $995 and the Convert DVI Plus at $1495, it allows us to actually get to the fact where people can bring in HD quality content. And that's why now at call letter stations all over the US, you have the ability to see a Matrox LE Max as well as the Convert DVI. So that is fundamentally the Matrox Everywhere strategy that is really successful at call letter stations and station groups all over. Thank you very much.